out of all the cruise ships we've been on, I think this shower has got to be one of the best designs. So the whole door here opens up, and this is one of the largest showers in just a regular standard balcony room that I have ever seen. It looks like it has a few inches added to it than a regular shower. We love it. In this shower, there isn't a clothesline to hang wet swimming suits from, but we didn't need to use those plastic hooks that I always pack because it does have these little hooks here built into the shower. King size bed and a large flat screen TV. Matching closets. This one has the closet, 2 drawers. This one holds the safe. This one is just a closet, but there's room here in the bottom for our suitcases. Both suitcases fit really well right there. And then each side has a little tiny nightstand. A nice size sofa that would make out into a bed. Our room steward leaves us little towel animals, and then the balcony. We also didn't need to use the extra plug that I always pack because this ship here at the desk has 3 plugs, 1 European plug, and then 2 USB chargers. So we brought our one charging station that has 6 ports and just have the 1 plug for that, and then we have 2 other plugs, and then this plug right here by the bed. If you want to order room service for breakfast, they'll leave you this menu in your room, and you just put your stateroom number, how many guests, and then the time you'd like it delivered. The continental breakfast is free. You just check the things that you want, but you should tip the wait staff who deliver it to your room. And then the American breakfast has a charge of $7.95 per room, and they already add the gratuity onto that. And these are the items that are available for that. Super easy to fill out, and then you just hang it outside your door by 3 a.m. and it's delivered the next morning. So that was our room. In upcoming cruise videos, those post on Sundays, I'm going to take you on a tour of Symphony of the Seas all around the ship and post videos on different stops that we made, as well as telling you about a Royal Caribbean hack that we discovered for the first time on this trip. Not many people know about this yet, so you'll be one of the first to know. And that video will be posting on March 17th. Give this video a thumbs up if you need a vacation, and in the comments, let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.